Is this a proper?
1.8.
1.8, yeah, I thought so. That's what you were saying, wasn't it?
Yeah, about 110, 112 brake.
What are you saying, YouTube? Today's video is going to be more of a vlog of the car related things I kind of got up to over a weekend. I know vlogs aren't for everyone. Feel free to watch it, feel free not to watch it. It's not like my normal kind of tutorial videos. Let me know if you want to see more kind of car related vlogs or things that aren't like tutorials on cars, but things I do day to day with cars or with friends with cars. And I'll potentially try and make some more videos. Let me know and I'll see what I can do. Also, I've actually been ill over the weekend. I'm still not too well today, but that's why I might sound a bit groggy or not be mad infused in what's going on, but it was good. So enjoy the video. What are you saying, YouTube? I've forgotten my camera, but we're on a bit of a different one today. We're going to get Rob.
Hello, Marto.
You remember him from the Scum Run videos? We're going to get him an M3 hopefully. So we're on our way to, where are we going? Hull. On our way to Hull to look at an M3 for him. And then tomorrow we're going to christen it by taking it to a meet. So you like this song, Rob?
No, I didn't say I like this.
So you like this song? It's a
Joe wants this left
guilty
on.
pleasure.
We're going to leave it on for Joe.
I want it left on, do I?
Well, that's what you just said.
I just tried to change it, you told me off.
That's not true,
That's
mate.
exactly what
You
happened.
f***ing love this song. Leave it!
He loves it.
Dum 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 dum.
We're in, are we in Hull?
No, we're in Kettlethorpe Hill.
Kettlethorpe. We're in some like little village.
Fuck no.
Like farm. There's
Everyone's got 4x4s.
Dum 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 dum.
look at the Bobby! Look at the Bobby!
We go now. Joe, I'll see you later, mate.
In a bit.
I'll meet you in Hull. Okay, mate. All right, mate. See you later, then, mate. Okay, then, mate. Bye.
Get in the car.
Let's go.
So as per our little adventures, we've had the old workhorse. What's happened?
Engine management light and spanner come up, and it's prone to. This is a Renault Megane 2016 1400 DCI. Not very good, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's had numerous injection faults on it, and now we've got a new one to add to the list, which is an engine management light.
And the clutch is slipping. And
it stinks.
guess who's got to drive it back? I'm not driving the M3. I'm driving the Megane.
It's definitely the longest I've ever gone to have a look at a car.
We've had a look over the car. We're following it now to check out the other set of wheels he's got at a garage. Because he doesn't want to, yeah, the originals. He doesn't want to part with it, but Rob's not too sure if he wants them. But
I did want to keep the car stock,
yeah.
But now I'm thinking that the CSL, although they're replica wheels, they do add something to the car, and the actual stock wheels, the lacquers come off them, so it's just going to detract from the prettiness of the car. Surprise, surprise.
We've got a tow and no cash.
It's the Humber Bridge.
Yeah, it's got, isn't it?
Yeah, I've never been over the Humber Bridge. Should we Google it? Do you want to Google it, see how much it is?
Oh, is it 150?
150,
150. Yeah. There you go, mate. Do you do contactless as well?
We do
Cool.
contactless, yeah.
Dum 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 dum.
There we go then. He ended up getting it. It's a really, really nice example. It's got the CLS wheels. He is really, really chuffed with it. M3 plate. It's got the the CLS wheels. It's pretty standard apart from a lip. You're getting it by a car. And the kidney grills, I think they're called. you saying, YouTube? It's the next day. We got the M3 home. Sorry I didn't really record anything. It was kind of dark and we were just trying to grind out the miles. We did about 700 miles total. We actually realised that you can get 31.1 miles to the gallon out of the M3, which is mental because my ST only does around 33 miles to the gallon on the motorway. There was driving it kind of frugal, but yeah, it's just interesting to see what you can get out of a big 3.2 6-cylinder M3. So today is the day of the meet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to prep the car, I'm going to give it a nice clean because it's really dirty. We're meeting up with Rob in his new M3 and we're going to go to the meet and I'm going to get some pretty cool clips there. It's about 2 hours till the meet and there's supposed to be about 2,500 cars going, so it should be a pretty good one. If I sound like I'm bunged up or you can't hear me properly, it's I've got a bit of a cold and I'm feeling it. So yeah, I'm a little bit ill, but yeah, I'll catch you when I'm down there. Look, there's Rob's car. What are you saying, boys? We're at the meet. It's starting to pick up now. There's got to be at least 200-300 cars, maybe. There's a fair few. When you look around, there's loads. Whoa. But my camera is just playing up. It's not picking up anything in the dark, so I'm gonna have to go with the phone camera. So the quality's not gonna be as good, but we'll do a little walk around of everything. And there's Rob's BMW that he really wants.
Yeah, boy, zoom in, zoom in.
What?
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the
What's he doing? Is he following us around? I think so, yeah. He wants to walk, but he's cold.
Yes, it's not what are you saying?
He's gonna follow us around?
Yeah, mate, I'm too cold.
We've got this fake M3 following us here. He's
1.8.
yeah, 1.8. He's just got a sticker on it.
At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
What are you saying then for your first meet?
I know, yeah, man. It's a right turnout.
Mate, out of anything in here, that is just, yeah, that's the one, mate.
Oh, it's in the 318 here. 318.
Oh, yeah.
3 series.
It's 318, the body kit on it. Should we interview him?
Yeah, it's interviewed.
This-
There's a fucking few of these, isn't
This is
there?
real? Is this proper?
1.8.
1.8, yeah, I thought so. That's what you're saying, wasn't it?
Yeah. About 110, 112 brake.
Not even that.
Not even that.
It's not.
Where'd you get your M3 sticker from? eBay.
Everything else is in Halfords.
Oh, is it Halford's jobby?
You better weigh up your options. What are you screwing up your face for? You're not mad like Bronson. Somewhere the Villa and Blues play, the Burgers and Johnsons. Oh, mind you don't do that. Not Biggie or Tupac. Get sticky like blue tack. From a city like New Jack. What are you ringing on me about for?
I drive from your place. Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games.
Been a pretty good turnout. There's what, 1,000 cars? Nah, what do you think?
All right. 300 to 500.
Say 500. There's loads of cars. Loads of. There's been a
The whole car park is
yeah,
full.
the whole car park's full. There's a couple of rare cars. There's a the only red Fiesta RS. We had a look at it. It was really nice. But yeah, it's packed.
Mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah. Are you just driving about?
We're driving about, we'll be back.
Too cold, isn't it, to wander about? Flat for a laugh, mate.
I beg you take the first bit.
Yes. Is he going in it?
Yeah. In a bit, mate.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate.
I like that Fiesta there as well, S2. It just looks clean. Nice clean example.
Yeah.
It doesn't grow, give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time.
It's the sound of the police.
Whoop, whoop. They're doing rounds. I think it's all gonna, well, it's all kind of winding down a little bit. But the police are seeing a few people off that are being naughty. Slowly, everyone's leaving the meet. Rob shot off. I'm gonna shoot off now. Big thanks to Fordaily. I'll put his stuff down below here. Go and give him a like. He's gonna be doing meets, I think, all around the country. So wherever you are, there'll be a meet for you. Sorry if it's been a bit of a mix-up, but I thought I'd record us going to get the M3 and also going to the meet. My camera failed, so I had to record my phone, so it's not as good footage, but it's all good. And I've been a bit ill, so it's, do you know what I mean? I didn't really want to record too much, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you next time. So as this is a vlog, I thought I'd put this at the end. Basically, one of our rats actually passed away when I got back from the meet last night. We used to have 7, now we've got 3. We've had them for nearly 2 years. He was our first little rat, Vinny. So I was just going to put a little video at the end showing you him and just give him a little tribute, really. But yeah, we've only got 3 left out of the 7 original. But that's part of the ownership. They come and they go. Enjoy the video.
Vincent.